How to reset Shopify store. Let's get started. Launch your Shopify app, or also you can launch your Shopify account in the web version. After you open it, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the left corner, you can find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of online store. Click on it. Under that, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of themes. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily reset Shopify store. You can see that I have set another theme. Now how to set it to default. Scrolling down over here, you will find the default theme. You have to click on the option of publish. Dawn is the default theme for the Shopify store. Once you set the Shopify theme to the Dawn, you will be good to go. You can delete the other available Shopify themes. For that, you can scroll down, head towards theme library. Now in order to delete any of the theme, click on three dots. Different options will appear. Scrolling down, you will find the option of remove. Click on it. This action cannot be undone. Click on remove. With that, you have just deleted the theme. Applying the same process, you can delete other available themes. So this way you can easily reset Shopify store. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.